Hey everybody, it's Neil, and look at what we have here. We have the tightest packed shirt I've ever seen. It's like thin like paper. But let's see how, I guess they could probably fit a million of them into like a cargo ship or something like that. Oh, as soon as I open it up, I could feel it whoosh. I could feel the air go into it. So this is the shirt. So here it is, kind of like a vest, and it's blue. I think it's blue. You guys can tell me, I'm colorblind. But let's try this on, see how it looks. So it's by, let's see, that's what it is there. That's the brand. And it says it's 98% polyester and 2% elastine. And it's Hawalili. Okay, so let's see. As I put it on over my Brooklyn shirt. So this is it here. So if I need to go out and look a little nicer than I normally do, because, you know, I'm always wearing t-shirts anyways. But I can wear like a vest out. It'd be nice. Wish I would have had this one here when I went. I was just in the Dominican Republic. I wish I would have had it there. It would have been just comfy to wear out to the pool and stuff like that, and out there because it was so hot. But this is what it looks like on me. What size is this one here? This is a size large, and I'm about 190 pounds, so you can get an idea of what a size large fits. So it's got some room here, and it's got some stretchiness to it too. I probably could have even gotten away with a medium, and it would have fit, you know, just tight like that. But this is what a large looks like, and so it's really nice. I like it. It's comfy, super comfy. I think it looks kind of cool too. It looks kind of cool with a t-shirt. And here you can see the bottom. I don't know if you can see the bottom. Let me aim you guys down over here. This is my little corner where I go so you can see me longer. But you can see it's kind of like a fitted shirt, kind of. It's got the up and down, so like one of those kind of fitted shirt kind of look of it. So if you tucked it in or whatever, it would be like that. But it's a nice shirt. Feels good. Let me show you all close up here a little bit what it looks like on the fabric. So it's made, it's kind of almost like a linen look, but it's a polyester one, so it's got a little texture to it. So can you see that? Yeah, there you go. So feels really nice. I like this. Seems really good. Super cool, super cool, super comfy. Fits good. Thumbs up.